Hey guys, this is Akshay Kumar and welcome back to the new fresh video guys. Well guys, as you saw a thumbnail, so today we are going to talk about basically a very important thing guys, because I have been receiving so many of comments in Instagram where people were talking about, they came across some fraud and basically guys they had paid some money and now there is no job. Well guys, I have already made a videos also stating that never pay any money if any person anywhere, can be anywhere, like on the social media, okay, like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, any of the emails, okay, and anybody is calling you, WhatsApp, anything. If anybody is asking you for a money and telling you they will give you a job anywhere in the cruise ships, I'm talking about any job guys. Well guys, I'm telling you this because you go in each and every company, doesn't matter, you go in each and every sector, public sector, private sector, limited sector, everywhere a recruitment is free. Peoples who are taking a bribes, peoples who are taking a money from the peoples to get them a job, it's a completely fraud and it's completely illegal guys. And this is why, to close down all these shops guys of illegal activities and the frauds, government of India has come already with the online crime portal. Well guys, I will give you complete details, but let me give you some quick details about how these things happen. Well guys, most of the people, they go and they upload their CVs, they upload their cover letters in any of the random website. Well guys, first thing I want to tell you is never submit your personal details to any random website. Well guys, wherever you want to apply for a job, just apply the job only to those portals. Please do not hurry to get a job, and do not apply just to any random any random portal where you get a job. Well guys, there most of the peoples, they are looking for a people whom they can do a fraud, because what happens is there are so many of people, they create their fake accounts over there, because these websites, it does not ask for any verification guys, because each and every people, they are it is really very easy to getting a phone number and email ID right now. You just have an email ID and phone number, so you can register basically to any website and you can create your account, being your like you can be your employer, right? You can create your account, and then this is the what happens is they are going to publish a fake jobs on those websites and people are going to apply. Well guys, never do that. And the second thing is, whenever you receive an email from any third party, so I have already mentioned in the last video how you can make out which email is good and which email is bad email, right guys? So I will give you a link of the description below of that video, so you can watch out that video, or otherwise you can click on this I button, so you will come to know basically how you can make out. So whenever the emails are coming to you, whether the email is correct or wrong. Correct or wrong in the sense of whether this email has come from the genuine website, from the genuine person, from the genuine company or agency, or it is a fake. Okay. And the second thing guys, I have come across, there are so many of people who are coming across this scam on the WhatsApp. Really, you really think so? Like suppose you are applying for a job in the cruise ships, do you really think so cruise ship is going to handle the employees, cruise ship is going to take a recruitment on the WhatsApp? Is no guys. The very first standard the way of contact is email, and the emails also I'm telling you, make sure whenever you receive any email guys, so the end part of that email, you make sure you go and verify on that website whether the same name of domain is mentioned over there or not. Okay, if you do not understand most of the things what I am saying guys, so you can watch out my previous video which I had made, so it will help you out getting a deep information. Okay, the second thing is guys, people are coming across on the Facebook. Well guys, on the Facebook there are so many of pages, job portals they have opened guys, and trust me, most of the people, they do not have any work, they are just there to grab the people's money, which is a hard work money. So well guys, I just want to tell you is never pay any money guys, and this is why I'm making the video. And today I'm going to tell you what you can do whenever anybody has done a fraud with you. So make sure you do not skip this video guys. Okay, if any fraud happened with you or any of your friend, any of your colleague, so please make sure guys you go and report it on the cybercrime.gov.in. well guys, this is an online portal created by a government of India where you can complain all these things, well, you need to do only one thing. You go on this website, create your own account, like how we create an account of Facebook or Instagram. It is that easy, guys. Then you have two options. Well, guys, here if you want to hide yourself, means something happened wrong with your friend or somewhere, or you want to report about that. So guys, if you want, you can hide yourself, so your details will not be exposed when all the investigation will take place. And if you want, so if you are the victim, guys, so you can take this application by yourself, and there you have so many of options, like suppose something went wrong with the women, something went wrong with the child, any abuse, or there are some other options as well. Okay, you can go on that website. The only thing you need is like suppose whatever the fraud happened with you, if you have some proof, some screenshots, any email, or you sent money, or you have any details of the person where you have sent a money, so you need to fill out that money, you need to fill out your own details, upload your own ID cards. So well, guys, this is how easy it is to complain about this. And make sure, guys, you do complain, because if you won't complain, these things are not going to stop. This corruption is not going to stop. Anything wrong went with you, guys, okay, and it happened online, so this is the portal you have, where you don't have to go to any police station. Each and every details you are going to fill up online, and you can submit this application by sitting at home, and you don't have to go any police station. All right, and guys, if you want a complete demo, well, how you can fill up that complete application, so well, guys, I will give you a link in the description below of Mr. Ishan. Yes, guys, and this guy has created a very good demo where how you can actually create one application, and how actually you can complain about a fraud, online fraud. So I hope, guys, you like this video. So if you like this video, then please make sure, guys, you do share this video. In this video, I'm not asking you for subscribe, I'm not asking you for like. The only thing I'm telling you, guys, please do share this video, because so many people are coming across this fraud, and this fraud has to be stopped, because simply there are some people who are taking away the people's hard work money. It is literally so embarrassing, guys. People are doing such work where they are taking up people's money and nobody is reporting them. That is the only thing is, when you report them, there are chances your money will come back and they will go to the jail. They has to go through a jail, right? These people needs to punish, guys. So please do share this video, and if you like my effort, then please hit the like button. It really motivates me to keep making such videos for you guys. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please make sure you hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, do the all notifications on, so whenever I will upload a more informative video, you will get a notification automatically. Okay, so I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.